to Rocksensor, redefining precision and reliability in process instrumentation. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of performing zero calibration on the RF3200 Coriolis mass flow meter. Let's get started. First, to enter the menu options, simply press the Enter button, E on your flow meter display. Next, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the options until you find the calibration menu. Once you reach calibration menu, press the Enter button, E, to select it. Now, you'll see different calibration options available. Select Zero Calibration. Press the Enter button, E, to confirm your selection. The display will now ask if you want to proceed with zero calibration. Simply press E again to select Yes. You will see a message on the display. Under Calibration, do not back until successful calibration. At this stage, it's important not to press any back buttons or interrupt the process. If you need to stop the calibration process, you can do so by pressing the up and down buttons together. The screen will display the option to stop calibration. Confirm by pressing E if you wish to cancel. Once the calibration is complete, the display will show successful calibration. And that's it. You've successfully performed zero calibration on your RF3200 Coriolis mass flow meter. Experience precision and performance with the RF3200 Coriolis mass flow meter, your solution for accurate, reliable, and hassle-free measurement. For more details, visit our website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert guides and product insights. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.